Welcome, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 5G, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen pattern. So, in case you cannot remember the pattern that you entered the last time and you don't have features like face recognition or fingerprint recognition set up on your device, then the only way to regain access to your device would be to contact Samsung customer support service, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone, of your tablet to them, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought it, you'll be able to regain access to your account by going through some troubleshooting steps they will explain to you, and after that you'll regain access to your device without removing any data from it. Alternatively, if this is not a suitable option for you, you can perform a factory reset operation on your tablet, and to do that you're simply gonna have to enter any web browser on any device that's other than this one, and then search for the Find Hub service. Open Find Hub by Google, then sign into this service using your Google account that is linked to this tablet by clicking sign in right here. Then select this device, this tablet from the devices list. Select it, then select factory reset device, confirm, and proceed by performing a factory reset on this tablet. Once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set it up as a new device, and your problem will be solved. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation using recovery mode on this tablet, so you can do this locally too. And if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode on this tablet, then simply check out the video on our channel titled How to Perform Factory Reset Operation through Recovery Mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 5G tablet. And after your device is restarted, you'll be able to set it up once again. And hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.